Tech workers have been at the forefront of work from home conversations. Many IT companies set a new precedent when they went completely remote. To adapt and thrive in the changing world, just like everyone else, IT employees adapted. They worked from their homes, beds, kitchens, and well, every other possible location.
I am more productive at home. So basically, with all this pandemic and hybrid culture going on, I think it's best that the employees get their freedom to work from wherever they can. As long as the work is being done, I don't think it matters much, because I think at the end of the day, when you look per week, the person becomes more productive, because they can work in their own time. They can have food when they want. They can take a short nap. When it's in the office, it's a little bit structured and it's more corporate in sense. So we cannot do as we please. But in this way, I think we can be more productive, and it can help.
Now, as Indian tech companies start to bring back employees to offices and go back to business as usual, again there are wrinkles. Employees are having some mixed feelings while their priorities have changed significantly.
It's not like we are coming every day. It's just like some days they are giving us option that we can come to office and feel different about working there. So I think it is more productive in office, because in home you just like you keep postponing things to like I'll do it later, and just it prolongs for like 10 to 12 hours. But in office you have scheduled time to finish the stuff. So I would say office.
Yeah, so I would say I'm more productive on both sides. I would say that coming to an office on all 5 days of the week won't make sense, because then it will be too much. It will be more hectic because I have so much interdependencies. At least coming for 2 working days to office is a good solution to me. I'm working rest of the time at home. So yeah, I would say both sides, but home would always take my winning bet. It's home at the end of the day.
According to a survey, hybrid work is the preferred choice of over 50% of organizations. The work from home culture has also helped employees save on traveling time and costs. Not just this, many also saved on rent as they moved from metros to their hometowns to live with their parents. Companies, on the other hand, are trying to strike a balance between the needs of employees and also those of their clients. There are also some negatives attached to working from home. A study focused on Microsoft employees claims that remote working may jeopardize productivity and innovation.
Definitely office, because it creates the whole culture of working, plus you're motivated, you're focused on one thing, that's your work. So I think in office the productivity is more, plus you get to see your your colleagues and all and everything. So I think that's a better environment, definitely.
A survey conducted in an American firm showed how 40% of remote workers spend 4 or more hours away from their PCs. At least 21.3% focus on work for only 1 to 3 hours, and 60% have taken a nap on company time.
This virtual setup has become a virtual wall for us, right? And we're not able to connect the way we used to connect to the office. So that is the biggest challenge which I see. Second, from a work perspective, if I have to say, the work which could get done in 15 minutes, it takes 1 day, because of the dependency on various factors. I cannot expect every individual to have their own respective house. I cannot expect that the dimension of the house of everyone is as equal to my dimension of my house.
Meanwhile, hybrid has become the new buzzword in the tech industry. This new format comes with its own challenges, especially for the IT companies. Some companies are taking the highway and have shifted gears to a more appealing work model, such as TCS and Infosys are exploring the hybrid option, while HCL is exploring work from home as a permanent feature. Now, interestingly, logistics is not the only problem that companies are going through. According to a report, the average attrition rate in the IT industry was more than 30% during peak pandemic. This suggests that employees' work priorities are changing, and companies that want to retain their employees will have to innovate and offer more.